Hi, this is Dr. Lawrence Janowski for Sonata Laser Aesthetics. Today I want to talk about pain, and specifically how to reduce pain during these procedures. Everyone's concerned about these injections hurting and is it going to be painful, and people are fearful of this, and I'm very much aware of that, and I really want to do everything I can to make sure that you have a comfortable procedure and you feel like, yeah, that wasn't so bad, and then you want to come back. A lot of people have needle phobias, and sometimes it's not just about the pain, it's just the needle itself. So we still have to use a needle to get the product in unless we're able to use a cannula, but there are ways and techniques that I have developed to really reduce the pain and the feeling of the needle. And the first concept I want to just talk about is, if you want to torture someone, do you want to do it quickly or do you want to do it slowly? And the answer is, if you have a needle and you want to torture somebody, you do it slow, right? Going quickly with a needle, it hurts much less than going slowly. So we don't want to torture you, we want to make this really quick and easy. So the concept that I use is what I call the snap technique. And the snap technique is basically a way that I hold the needle and I snap it through the skin very quickly. The most sensation you're going to feel is a sensation going through the skin. Once the needle's under the skin, you don't feel a lot. So my method is really inject quickly and get through the skin, and then inject the product a little bit more slowly once we're through the skin. And a lot of patients have told me they don't really realize what I'm doing, but they say that my needle technique hurts less than just about anybody that they've ever gone to. So I'm going to demonstrate this technique so you can really get a good close-up view of what I'm doing and why it's different than probably anybody else that you've seen. So we'll do that demonstration. We're going to do a Botox injection. I'm using a very small insulin needle. It's one of the smallest needles that there is. And it's not just the size of the needle, but again, the technique. So I'm going to have you give us a close-up here, and I'm going to show you how I do this very quickly and easily. Okay? Alright, so the snap technique. Here's our spot. I'm in very fast, and then I inject. Very fast. In. Very fast. In. Do a couple more here. Very quick. And very quick. And so, let's just ask the patient, how did you feel that? How painful was that?
On a scale of 1 to 10, it was a 0.
A 0. So, virtually painless procedure with a needle, and people really don't believe that that's possible. But it is. It really depends on technique. It's not just about the price. You can go anywhere to get Botox, but what's your experience going to be like getting the product? There is a difference among injectors, and this is a technique I use, and I think you'll probably find it hard to find anywhere else. Anyway, that's my tip for today, and I'll see you next time.